not going up right, or?
No, it's good.
Keep going.
My shackle over there is, it's a little wild. I'm good.
Oh, you can go up more.
I know.
You can walk underneath it.
I can walk underneath it.
Oh yeah.
Just because you're...
There's a little bit of a room leak on the tranny.
Yeah.
That won't hurt it too much. Look at that small filter.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's in there.
But I'm just oh. That's why they got rid of the torsion bars.
Why?
Because the exhaust runs. The torsion bar should
go all the way back there.
It's through. Oh, that's what they did. The torsion bars should be right where these exhaust pipes are.
Okay. So they pulled the torsion bars and put the exhaust through the frame so they had room.
And they use coilovers.
To counteract it. Yeah. That makes a lot of sense now.
You're not pointing the camera at the car.
Yeah. Cool.
Rock and roll, man. You might have your mechanic look at that rear main seal, but
yeah.
I mean the rear main output shaft. But look how they tucked that shit.
The guys, whoever did the exhaust, knew what they were doing.
Because they came over, I would have X-piped it, put like a crossover in here, just balance out the exhaust. But other than that, what do you think? You feel confident?
Hell yeah.
I would put like you could put a gas tank right there, right here.
Yeah.
So we did run an outro, but what do you think now? You feeling good?
Yep.
So we're gonna put this down on the ground. He's gonna get going. I gotta get going. So thanks for watching. What do you think, Dad? Real quick.
Yeah.
It's a Chevy.
It's a Chevy.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's the only Chevy I would own.
It's a Chevy.
Look at that small rear end though, but it's like a old school.
7-inch.
That's not
7.5, maybe.
I'm not bragging, right? But mine's 8.8. So.
Yeah, well, yeah.
All right. Now you've done enough playing around. I got to get back to home.
Cool.
Thanks for watching.